Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, if you are new, welcome. So in this video, I am going to be making a breast cancer awareness bow for some gifts that I'm putting together. So this ribbon, this is the breast cancer awareness ribbon. I purchased this from, so there was this, when I used to make wreaths, I used to purchase a lot of ribbon from this store based out of Louisiana. I cannot remember the name of it, but I'm pretty sure that's where I got this from. I'm not sure. I had it for a while, but I'm pretty sure that's where it came from. I have this pink ribbon. This came from, I think, AC Moore. I'm not sure if y'all familiar with that craft store, but they are no longer in business. But that's where I got this one from. So I'm going to put this one on the first little holder spot because this is going to be the one for the bottom. And then I'm going to put this one right here because I want it on top. So I'm just going to put them together like this. And I'm going to pinch my ends together. I have this floral wire. I got this white. This came from Hobby Lobby. And this was on clearance. And I see why they was on clearance. This white is, it's horrible. But I don't know my green one is. So I'm about to use this one. Alright. So the first thing I'm going to do is wrap it around like that. Then I'm going to bring it around here. So I'm going to wrap the top. Wrap this around the top, wrap this around the bottom, like that. And I'm just gonna pull it tight a little bit. I'm gonna take it, pinch it in the middle, flip it under, or turn it, and go around my next finger, flip it. Around that finger, flip that one, and there, flip there, around there, and voila. So then I'm just gonna flip it one last time, like so. I'm gonna bring this up from the bottom. And this one from the top. And I'm just gonna twist them together like that. So there we have our ribbon, our bow. And then I'm going to, do I want two tails? No, you know what? I'm gonna leave my tails like this. I'm just gonna have these colors right here. So then just determine how long I want it. I don't want it too long because this is not gonna be a big basket. So I'm just gonna cut it right here. And then dovetail it a little bit. And I would fluff this on my bow fluffer box, but I don't think this is long enough. Let's see. I don't think my wire is long enough for me to fluff it on there. Let's see. I already got one on here already. This is one I did earlier. Let's see. Is it long enough? It is. Barely. One side is anyway. So you just put it on there and then you just fluff it out different directions like this. Voila. And there you have it. Breast cancer awareness bow. All right, and there you have it. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, y'all have a great one.